Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope everybody's having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys. Okay, I just want to come back real quick and do a quick video. I got this package in the mail. I have no idea what it is, but just want you guys to know the direct mail is still booming. Nothing has stopped. I'm in 30-day success formula. I'm in six-figure stamp club. Okay, as the two direct mail programs that I'm promoting. All right, so real quick. I'm gonna open this, but I want to show you guys how you can market your business. It's not one way to do it, guys. I've got these drop cards. Okay, you can get these really cheap, $14.99 for 100. I'm gonna put the link below for these. I've got these sticky notes, guys. All this stuff is low budget, but you can promote your business. Okay, we've got my custom postcards if you're interested in that. Once you join me, I'll tell you where to get these, and you put your picture on it, okay? Then if you're going to mail out letters, I've got a custom envelope, okay? It's got to be compelling to make people want to open it, okay? So we got different little tools you can use to promote your business, guys. Then you see I've got shirts when I'm out and about. Check that out. Call my number, okay? So when I'm out and about, I have my shirt on. A lot of times people want, hey, hold on, let me get that number. And it's here, and I have it on the back too. So it's different ways that you can promote without, I don't talk to people. I don't go up and do the 3-foot rule deal. No, don't do that. I'm just actually indirectly promoting without me saying one word. And I'm dropping these cards, sticking these on gas pumps. When you go to the public restroom, sticking these on the back of the doors. When you go to the bank, the ATM, stick this on there. Always promoting, okay? So there's various ways to do that, and I can show you how to do that, okay? Now, let's open this real quick. Hang on a second here. So I'm going to put the link below, guys, for you to join me in any of my opportunities. Even if you're in, the digital businesses like Easy One Up, you can still have people send you your payment in the mail, guys, if you like. You don't have to use, the merchant accounts and things like that, okay? So any business, as long as you're receiving 100% commission, you can do that, okay? So let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see what we got. $50, guys, and a book of stamps. Okay. Oh, okay, I just dropped it, but it's 50 and a book of stamps. Okay. So, this is the red level. Okay, that this person joined at. I don't want to show their information, but I'm going to just show you guys. Okay. See, it says red level. Okay. So that means that I would receive $50. All right. So I just dropped the 10. So $50. All right. So definitely, direct mail is booming. Actually, it never went anywhere. I mean, this is how I started to find my success in 2013 with direct mail. When I couldn't figure out internet marketing, I went to direct mail, and it does work. As you can see, these envelopes keep coming in the mail. All right. So go ahead and click the subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? I definitely look forward to working with you guys. If you're coachable, and you've got to be patient with this, okay? Any business, whether it's online or offline, you must have patience, but it can work for you as well. Till next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.